Tom, how you going?
Right.
We're here for the interview.
We're here for the interview.
Good to see you dressed for it.
Oh, I just finished playing golf.
Oh dear.
Right, okay, well, first things first, we'll take you up to meet Rob the MD,
Yeah.
and then we'll get you working around different areas and see where it fits for you.
We've got it in the bag though, haven't we?
Let's see how it goes first,
I mean,
eh?
people know that we're good at everything.
It's true, but you know, let's see what Rob and the other people say first.
All right, no problem.
Right.
Yeah, easy peasy. Let's go.
Right, come through, lads.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, look at this.
It's nice. Midge, Jules, this is
Hi.
Rob.
Hello, Rob.
Rob.
How you doing?
Hiya, nice to meet you.
Jules.
Nice to meet you, Jules. Yeah, have a seat. Have a
Thank
seat.
you very much.
Looking forward to it.
Thanks,
you.
Dom.
Cheers.
See
Thanks,
ya.
Dom.
Good old Dom. We love Dom.
So yeah, let me. As a manager, I'll give you the kind of the history of GTechniq and why we started GTechniq in the first place. So it's really to disrupt the market. So the founder of GTechniq was involved with other car care products, was dissatisfied with it, and that's where he started looking. And his background, because he's a quantum physicist, so his role is he knows quantum physics very well.
Oh, we know that.
Yeah, Honda Civics.
Yeah, we know Honda Civics. Yeah.
Okay.
Worked on quite a few of those.
EP3s.
Yeah.
Well,
Brilliant.
A little bit different this bit, but yeah, more or less. When we started, there was probably one other ceramic coatings company in the market. That was C1. That was the original product that started. It's still a great product. We've now developed hybrid technology coatings. So these ones are phase separated, so they kind of have two layers that separate. So we had Crystal Serum, and now we're on Crystal Serum Ultra. Now I understand, Dom has maybe lined up a couple of things for you to.
He said you might have some roles that we'd be interested in.
Yeah. Okay. So with your chemistry background.
Yeah, I used to go to school with Charles Darwin.
Yeah,
Okay,
I did osmosis and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, at school. Yeah, no problem. We can do that.
Okay, well we'll get you up and kind of go up to the lab and maybe check that out, and then I think there's something else in GTechniq Works as well. So more the hands-on bit.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cool. Lovely to meet you.
We'll,
you, sir.
We'll let you know.
All right.
We'll let you know if we're going to take it. or not.
Cheers, lads.
Thanks.
Right. So what we got here then, Dom?
Right, lads, this is the GTechniq Works,
Right.
state-of-the-art detailing facility.
Yeah.
We've got Adam and Stephen here. Adam's our head detailer. Stephen's the assistant detailer.
Nice to meet you.
Adam.
How you doing, mate?
I'll hand over to these boys. They'll give you a quick rundown of what we do here and how we do it.
Okay, brilliant.
Awesome.
So yeah, we've got a bonnet here ready for you. So we're going to show you some demonstrations of some products. Okay, so hands-on, we'll get you doing some of the coatings. As Dom said, this is GTechniq Works, so we're the centre of excellence for GTechniq. We spend a long time on a vehicle. We spend about 3 or 4 days.
3 or 4 days?
Yeah.
On
So
one car?
Yeah, we take the wheels off. We do the interior.
We
do
can do a car in about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
I'll
You can teach us a couple of things.
take you
then,
down to
that'd
the
be great.
supermarket.
Yeah, we do engine bays, the interior, the glass, we take the wheels off, we do the brake calipers, we do everything. So
Proper job.
every little nook and cranny we do. So here we actually have 2 of our most popular coatings for the paintwork. We have this one, this is Crystal Serum Ultra, this is only for professionals. Okay. And then we have Crystal Serum Light, which Stephen's going to go through with you.
Okay.
Sweet,
So
guys.
we're doing the professional one, obviously.
Well, me and Alan are professionals here, unfortunately. But one day you could be, one day. But what I'll show you today is Crystal Serum Light, okay? Have a little look at that. So what we're going to do, we're going to prime the pad first, okay? So what we recommend is doing 3 full pads, pad prime, sorry. So all you're going to do, get the pipette, you're going to squeeze it a couple of times and put it on the pad, and then work in a section that you want, all right? I'm going to let you two have a little play with it. I'm sure you'll be fine.
Is there anything we shouldn't do?
Don't spill it on the bonnet. All right, that's all I'm saying. Don't drop it, spill it all over the bonnet.
Not complete muppets.
I know you're not. I'm just saying. All right, I'm just saying. Okay, but I'm sure you'll be fine.
Okay.
All right, perfect.
Brilliant.
So I'll leave you to it. All right, me and Adam will just go away for a bit, and I'm sure you'll be fine.
Yeah,
all right,
no problem.
Sweet.
It's
Cheers,
be
guys.
easy.
I have no idea what they were talking about. How does this work?
How many? 4.
2, 3, 2, 2, 2. This is good, this goes on really nice.
It does.
Come, gives a go then.
No.
Come on.
I haven't
sort it
finished.
out. Come on,
I need a bit more anyway. No.
Oh my God, what have you done?
Don't let them see.
Oh, Jules.
I patched it up. They won't know.
How are we getting on over here, guys?
Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Like,
right.
it's like you said. You just pour it on, didn't you, and give it a quick dab.
Pour it on.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, that's what you
I
said.
didn't say pour it on.
Oh,
Oh
I
dear.
thought you said pour it on.
No, I didn't
What
say
have you
pour it
done?
on.
3 times.
it's all right. Look, see, look. It's
Steve,
lovely.
can I have a quick chat?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all right.
Cool.
Got away with that, haven't we? Got away with that, haven't we?
Just give it a little that.
Dom?
Right, come in, lads. All right, so it didn't work out downstairs. No biggie, no biggie. We'll introduce you here to Ben, who's our head of product testing.
Hi, Ben. You all right?
Ben.
I've got a D in design technology at school.
Right, it's a good start, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, I'll leave you to Ben, and yeah, he'll talk you through what we do and how we do it.
Okay, brilliant.
Perfect.
Yes, definitely. So, welcome guys to our in-house laboratory. In here, we've got a range of machines, different measuring devices to basically pull apart our coatings and maintenance products and all kind of things like that, just so we can make sure we're the best on the market.
What is this? Can I touch this?
I'd rather you didn't. That's £2,000 worth of needle on
Wow.
its own.
Ooh.
So yeah, we don't mess around in here. So it's all very serious, very important stuff. This device measures water contact angle. That is the beading that everybody knows and loves. Next to that, we've got a scrub machine, which will replicate washing a car. We've got a UV machine that accelerates the sun. 100 hours in there will simulate around 5 years worth of natural exposure.
So you could like tan your hands.
I'll go for a sunbed.
I'd definitely, yeah, definitely avoid that. And then over in the corner, salt spray machine produces a corrosive mist, and that'll replicate things like bare metal oxidization, and also simple things like cars that are parked closer to the seaside that are experience salt air and stuff like that. What this officially is a digital surface tensiometer. So plain and simply, it measures water beads, but more technically, we can use it to calculate surface tension. Okay. Things like, as an algorithm, you can put 3. What are you doing?
It's just me lunch. I want to warm it up a bit.
No. If we're going to play like that, no. We're serious in here.
What, really?
Yeah, no. Sorry, guys. You're gonna have to leave. Come on. No,
Jules,
bring your lunch.
Come on, you're ruining it for everyone.
Well, come
We're all
Ben, one
about
more
science
chance.
in
One more
here.
chance.
GTechniq Smart Surface Science, not GTechniq Smart Rolls.
Look at that.
Right, it's looking good, isn't she, lads?
Comb your hair in that.
Okay, so the paintwork's all been coated in our crystal serum light ceramic coating. That's what's going to give you the protection. We've got a layer of EXO on top of that, a hydrophobic coating, so that's going to give really intense water beading for about 18 months. Wheels been done and coated in our wheel armour. Glass has been done. We've also done the inside, so all the leather's been coated, and have the fabrics as well, and the floor mats. So she is ready to go.
And you want us to take it out?
Yeah, take it out, get her a little dirty, and bring her back, and we'll show you how easy it is to clean and maintain now that you've got the coatings on there.
So where are we going?
So, out there,
Yeah,
then left, right?
do that.
Right.
All right.
Left.
You can drive. I'll be sat nav.
Cool. What way did you say? Left.
Yeah, right.
Right. Oh, okay.
No, left. No.
Right.
Oh no. Where are we going? Oh, too late. Where are we going, Jules?
To fill up our tummy tum-tums.
Better put a big order in.
I'm gonna have a McDonald's. I'm gonna have a double cheeseburger chaser.
I'm going to have a grand Big Mac.
Or I'm gonna have nuggets.
20 nuggets
Oh.
each.
And I'm gonna have a strawberry milkshake and a McFish. Has anyone ever had a McFish? Can I have 2 Big Mac meals, please? Strawberry milkshake and a chocolate milkshake.
So I don't know shakes at the moment.
Got no shakes.
No.
Oh, I should have gone Burger King. McFlurry, please. And can we have some nuggets as well?
And a double cheeseburger.
And can we have a McFish as well?
What?
A McFish?
Fillet fish.
Fillet of fish, that's the one. I've never had a McFish before.
Oh, easy. Oh, come on.
Don't get it over, mate. They've just cleaned it in here.
Put some nuggets.
Okay, I've got to stop.
Whoa! I can't stand it.
Tell you what, I've never had a McFish before. I might have another one.
I'll tell you what, you can have some of that.
Oh, fuck. Do you think we've gone too far though? Like, I know they said to get it dirty, but
Come on, we brought Dom a Big Mac.
oh, he'd be happy.
He'd
Wouldn't
be
he?
happy with
Oh,
that.
it drops in the
Come
bag.
on. Yeah.
He loves a Big Mac.
Everyone loves a Big Mac.
I think we've done that. Job well done.